Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're doing Moondance in a different key. Alright, but I want to clarify one thing from the last video. Is there's a part in there where, at least people I've played with, sometimes they've done it two different ways. That's why it's important for you to use the link and see exactly how the song goes. All right, because that I'm not giving you. That's homework on your part. But really briefly is the when we went I'm in Moondance. Then there was that part where we went to the bridge, the middle part. Where it goes ba-da-dum, da-da-dum. Sometimes it's played ba-da-dum, ba-ba-bum to the B minor instead of the D minor. So one way is dum, da-da-dum, or it could be da-dum. Just so you know, the correct way I like, to my ears, I like the D minor going to the E. But some people, and I believe the correct one is B minor to E, but follow what it says in the music for now. Okay, and then when you're out there playing with some other people, someone might turn around and say, hey man, I think it needs to be the D minor. Oh no man, it needs to be the B minor. All right, expect that. Okay, G minor. The reason we're using, again, the same piece is that as we move lower in the neck, meaning, from lower notes, okay, strings are a little more, how do you say, they get a little harder to press, the frets are a little wider, we're sort of changing this way and we're changing this way. We get a shot of that with my hands. Okay, thanks. All right, G minor, 3rd fret, root up here. We see it. 3rd fret bar. A minor. We know the A minor. All right, there's no need to talk about that. The bar is on the 5th fret and the root is on the 6th string, right? There's no need for me to say that at this point. Thank you. 3rd fret, C minor, all right? Root, 5th string, 3rd fret. Okay, and then the D major, you remember this from other songs, Hang On Sloopy and all that sort of stuff. All right, again, metronome, all downstrokes, nice and easy. Clean chord changes, please, okay? 2 beats each, but you already know that. And remember, don't do that, please. Okay, and then the bridge, ba ba ba, ba da da, da da da. What you're hearing there, by the way, when you hear the chord cut off, all I'm doing is just taking the pressure off the string. Okay, it's not, this hand is staying, okay, because a lot of times, just general information here, and then I'll get back to this. When you're strumming, a lot of your accents, strumming is constant. The accent is with the left hand. Everyone thinks it's no. Okay, just general information. Plenty of time for that. Maybe I got ahead of myself. All right, again, ba ba bum, da da dun, or ba ba bum, bum bum bum. All right, Moondance, G minor. Definitely going to be a little more difficult to play than an A minor. All right, but Just work with it, stay with it, okay? Questions, comments below. All right, please subscribe, please thumbs up. All right, and as always, you know, just keep at it. Just take little bites at a time, you know? And again, my broken record personality. No. Have a nice day.